Hi viewers, welcome to our channel V for You. Shanghai Airport, Singapore. சிங்கப்பூர்ல பார்க்க வேண்டிய பிளேசஸ் நிறைய இருக்குங்க. அதுல ரொம்ப அட்ராக்டிவான டூரிஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் தான் ஜுராங் பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்க். ஏர்போர்ட்ல இருந்து half an hour to 45 minutesல பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்க் ரீச் ஆகலாம். பேசும்னு கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம். ஆனா இங்க பேரட்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் 1 to 10 சொல்லுறதுங்க. எவ்வளவு சர்ப்ரைசிங்கா இருக்குல்ல. கண்டிப்பா இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாம ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க. அந்த பேரட்ஸ் பேசுறது அந்த இனிமையான குரலை கேளுங்க. ஜுராங் பார்க் வேர்ல்ட்ல இருக்கிற நிறைய வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பேர்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஹோமா இருக்கு. நிறைய கலர்ஃபுல்லான பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கவே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்குங்க. It is currently world's largest birds park in terms of number of birds and second largest park in terms of species and land areaங்க. ஜுராங் பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்க் 49 acres landல ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிருக்கு. 1971ல தான் இந்த பார்க்கை ஓபன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பேர்ட் ஷோஸ் இங்க நடக்கும். பேர்ட் ட்ரெயினர்ஸ் இங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்தா அந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் அதை புரிஞ்சுண்டு நடக்கிறதும் ஓடுறதும் பறக்கிறதும் பார்க்கவே அவ்வளோ என்டர்டெய்னிங்கா இருந்ததுங்க.
So when we think of birds of prey, we often think of them perching high up on the tree or flying high up in the sky looking for their food. But did you know that some of them can actually be found foraging on the first floor as well? So our next bird of prey will be demonstrating just that. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just setting up the stage for him. So on the other end, I've dropped a couple of rocks. In the center, we have a small pile of leaves. And right over here on this boulder, we'll be having this piece of tree bark. Now, in addition to all these items, what I'm going to do is I'm just hiding some pieces of trees underneath them. And these trees would actually simulate insects taking shelter in the wild. So I've placed one under the tree bark. Let's have a couple under the rocks right here. I'm going to stick them on and turn the rocks over. Let's have 3. Okay, one more. Right over here. All right. So let me just keep at my basket. Now do get your video cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen, because I don't think you'd want to miss this. And with that, everyone, let's welcome Raul, our southern-crested colourful. Hi there, Raul. Look at that, heading straight for the rocks, using his flat claws and long legs to overturn the rocks to see if there's anything hiding underneath it. Oh, he's already found 2. Anything under there? No. Okay, he has 1 more to go. Very meticulous, making sure that the rocks he has already turned are turned again to make sure that he doesn't miss anything out.
நிறைய டாக்கிங் பேரட்ஸ், ஆப்பிரிக்கன் ட்ரீ டாப்ஸ், வைல்ட் பெங்குயின்ஸ், வைல்ட் ஸ்கூப்ஸ், ஃபிளமிங்கோஸ், ஆஸ்ட்ரிச், ஸ்பாரோஸ், மக்காவ்ஸ், காக்டெயில் பேர்ட்ஸ், டால்பின்ஸ் கூட இங்க இருக்குங்க. இன்னும் நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கவே கண்ணுக்கு அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்குங்க.
Okay, you know what? Let's put Yippee to the test. So right here with me, I have 3 recycling materials: a paper carton, and a metal can, and finally a plastic bottle.
Okay, and right here with me, I have 3 kinds of bins as well. 1 for paper, 1 for metal, and the last one here is for plastic.
Oh wow, okay, you know what? Let's see Yippee recycle then, shall we?
Yippee, you know what to do, right?
He's taking the paper carton first. Wow.
Told you so. Okay, next one.
The metal can. Wow. Well done, Evie.
Last one, plastic bottle shouldn't be a problem.
Alright, let's see if you recycle the final litter. And in it goes. Oh, okay. I think I know what's the problem, Mitra. I think the bin is too high for Evie.
The bin is too high? It's okay, not to worry because... Let's see, right here I have a very cute... Give this to him.
Alright. Evie, here's your stool. Alright, it looks like he's still eating his treat. Let's give him some time. Alright, Evie. Oh, wow. Okay. And he places the stool next to the bin. Well done, Evie. Alright, then now time for the final litter.
Look at that, he steps on the stool and he recycles! Well done, Evie, good job! Now everyone, plastics has invaded our lives today.
இங்க டோட்டலா 5000 birds of 400 species
Alright,
இருக்குங்க.
now let's start off with something simple, shall we? How about a nice hello? Let's make a nice hello indeed. Alright, now I'm gonna get this bird to introduce himself. So let's tell everyone, what's your name?
Amigo!
Did everyone catch that? Okay, let's try it one more time. Alright, so what's your name? Okay, looks like he's still eating his treat. Let's give him a little bit more time. Alright then, how about you tell everyone, what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo is his name. Alright then, Amigo, what do you want to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
Wow, Amigo asked how is everyone today? What a polite bird. Alright, now Amigo here is also a very intelligent bird because he can count from 1 to 10. First, in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10. Well,
Vicky, our great. Hi. Hi there. Hello, Vicky. Good morning. Now, great white hornbills like Vicky, they can be found in Asia. Hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. So when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the bird park. So people on this side, not to worry because Vicky is going to take a flight all the way to my friend Lina out there. So when she's flying, please do not reach out to touch the bird, okay? Vicky, you ready? Lina's waiting for you. Okay, go. Nice flight. Okay, so you can have a closer look at Vicky, but no sudden movements, okay? So in a very short while, Vicky will be checking out her nest box. Look at that. A little hop to your right. Can you show everybody a cute hop? Hop, Vicky, come on. Let's just give her some time, okay? A little higher, there you go. Okay, so what she's doing right now is...
கண்டிப்பா உங்க கிட்ஸ கூட்டின்னு போயிட்டு இந்த ஜுராங் பார்க்கு காமிங்க. பேர்ட்ஸ் எவ்வளோ வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பேர்ட்ஸ் இங்க இருக்குன்னு அவங்களுக்கு புரிய வைங்க. For watching this video, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much.